Oh, man. Just went ahead and hooked up some lights in here. I'll have to, well, I don't know, Ryobi's flashlight here in the middle of the night now. I'm gonna get one more, I think, because it didn't span as far as I thought it would. I didn't even think about math or any of that. So, anyways, we're cooking a rump roast today. This one here. I've actually had this sitting in the fridge for probably 3 days now. Got a mixture of Dale's, garlic, and a couple other things. I forgot what I put in there. It's gonna be good. This thing smells delicious. I think S&P went on there too. So all I'm gonna do now is throw it on at 225 degrees. This is a bone in there. Oh man. I am going to actually flip it this direction here. More heat on this side right there. If you watched the last video we updated or put up there, it was me cleaning this. And in part of it there towards the end, you can see how hot it gets just in this general area. So put the smaller end down towards this way. Eventually, all of this should accumulate quite a bit of smoke. I didn't bother trimming anything out of this. There is a big vein of fat through there. I'm just leaving it. I might actually just smoke this for a while and then throw it in a slow cooker too. I don't know, just to make sure it's extra tender, and I might throw some veggies in with it. Not sure yet. Keep an eye out for the rest of this video. Well, if you're already watching it, you'll see the rest of the video. So 225, like I said, this is gonna be on for a while. It's about 11 o'clock now, and it's Tuesday. I have the day off, so figured I'd do something fun. So I wrapped it up at about 165. It's now at 213 internal temp. When I wrapped it up, I took some juices and I poured them in top here. Man, it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this boiled, and I'm just gonna let it rest for a while.
This is the meat after I took it off. I went ahead and separated the big chunks of meat from the big vein of fat. When I had sliced it up real thick, laid it on some vegetables, threw it in the oven to roast for about an hour until my vegetables were soft.